Would you like to start selling physical products on Amazon? The opportunity is massive, with Amazon generating over $100 billion in annual sales. And over 40% of those sales go directly to people just like you, third-party sellers. So how do you actually make money selling on Amazon? One of the keys to success on Amazon is finding the right product to sell. But in today's competitive landscape, you also need to find a way to differentiate your product from the competition. AmaSuite can help. AmaSuite is a collection of 5 powerful software tools designed to help solve some of the most important aspects of succeeding on Amazon. Let's say you're just starting out and have no idea what to sell on Amazon. That's where the Ama Top Product Analyzer comes into play. This software will help take you from a broad idea and narrow your options down to a handful of products that you can research in more depth. The software works by allowing you to start searching various subcategories on Amazon to identify best-selling products, all within a simple-to-navigate dashboard. You can filter your search results by the bestseller rank, which indicates how well the product sells, product price, 1 to 5 star rating, total number of reviews, and a variety of other key factors. Once you have a general idea of the product you'd like to sell, you can use the Ama Search Analyzer to perform keyword searches to research specific individual products. This software will show you all of the products that use the keywords you've searched for while quickly showing you the bestseller rank, price, 1 to 5 star rating, total number of reviews, and other key factors. When you've identified the product that you'd like to sell, it's important not to simply sell the same product everyone else is, but instead use the Ama Review Analyzer software to discover ways to improve your product and differentiate from the competition. By analyzing the reviews of best-selling products, you can quickly determine what people like and dislike and use that feedback to improve your product. Another strategy that sellers can use to achieve success faster is to limit the amount of money they invest into new products they source by test purchasing small quantities on AliExpress. When you can buy a handful of units and list them on Amazon, you can get a sense of the demand for the product very quickly and then decide if you want to invest more resources into ordering more units in bulk. Ali Inspector helps you quickly search AliExpress to find potential products you can source inexpensively to sell on Amazon. After you know what to sell and have sourced your product, you need to create a profitable product listing. To make sure shoppers can actually find your product on Amazon, you need to incorporate the right keywords into your listing. Use the Ama Keyword Generator software to quickly find the most popular searched keywords directly from Amazon and other major retailers. The keywords you use in your product listing are one factor that influence which keywords your product can rank for. Therefore, using the right keywords in your listing is incredibly important. With AmaSuite, you can more quickly identify products you can sell on Amazon. Discover ways to differentiate the products you offer. Find products you can source inexpensively from AliExpress and choose the best keywords to use in your product listings. Altogether, the AmaSuite software tools can save you time and help you build a successful e-commerce business. AmaSuite is available for use on your PC or Mac, and we offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. So you have plenty of time to try out the software and ensure it's right for you. With your purchase of AmaSuite today, you also get free access to our video training series for Amazon sellers. You'll quickly learn the business model for selling on Amazon and how you can use the AmaSuite software tools to help you succeed. If you get stuck and need help, you can reach out to the community in the private AmaSuite Facebook group, which is included for free to all AmaSuite users. Click the buy button below this video to start using AmaSuite today.